Hi, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can showcase your skills and expertise in your LinkedIn profile. So what you can do is you can add your LinkedIn profile title with your name. Here you can see my title, YouTube automation and video editing. I'm a video editor, so I edit this to my LinkedIn profile. Then you can add your tagline. So next is my tagline: accelerate your YouTube success with YouTube editing and automation, partnered, committed to your growth. Okay, this is how you can add your skills, and then you can just scroll down and you have a about option. You can add your about option with everything you do. I added everything about my skill and told what I work do, what I do basically. Then I can here and experience, I can add my experience in the this field, and then in skills I can add my skills here. This is how you can add your skills and expertise in your LinkedIn profile.